Welcome. In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the back button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping up or down on the screen, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the time and date option and tap on it, and here we can change the date and time. For example, we can select time, select the time format, for example 24 hours, and then we can adjust the time to our liking by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, and then we can tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the time changed. Now let's scroll down. Oh, my bad. Let's go back, scroll down, tap on date and adjust the date. So let's change the day, month and the year. Like this. We can scroll even more down and here we can change the date format. So select the date format you like. And then we can also select the first day of the week. So if you tap on this option, you can select Monday, Saturday or Sunday. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.